This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Located in the prestigious gated community of Oceanside Village, this executive home is just minutes away from both the beach and river. Designed with an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living, dining and kitchen areas, your family will enjoy living spaces that are both elegant and functional. The gourmet kitchen is the heart of the home with beautiful white shaker cabinets, table height island, granite countertops, gas range, pantry, modern lighting and spacious eat-in area. Family room features tray ceilings and triple sliders out to the patio area. Home is loaded with high-end finishes. Plantation Shutters, Soaring Ceilings, Paver Driveway, tile roof, hurricane shutters, and more. Fourth bedroom can be used as den/study. Amenities include a resort-style pool, basketball, tennis and pickleball courts, kids playground and clubhouse. Close to restaurants and shopping. Excellent rental property. Paradise awaits. For more information, review the details below.